Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong makita natin, no? Ating babasahin. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And yes, kung may naghahanap sa inyo ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po, no? So, yan po yung kanya-kanya po naming FB page, no? So, yung FB page ko ito, kung saan kayo nanonood, o diba? Yeah. And, okay, kung meron tanong din pagdating sa ating mga items, we do have evil eye protection. Okay, protection po ha, mula sa mga nagbabato ng evil eye sa atin. Meron tayong ring, adjustable po yung ring ha, ganyan siya. Okay, so hindi lang mabigyang hustisya dahil hindi maganda yung ating camera and the lightings, na. And yung ating, meron tayong bracelet, meron tayong ring, meron tayong necklace. And syempre, meron tayong love bracelet, no? For singles, sa may mga karelasyon, at yung may mga conflict. Okay? So, meron din naman tayong ang tawag dyan, granter necklace. Okay, so yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, so meron din siya. Ito talaga, mahilig tong bigay ng surprises. Yeah. So, kahit hindi nyo minamanifest, may darating na maganda. So, sa maganda lang tayo, syempre. And syempre, yung ating pang-cord cut. Okay, so kung hindi nyo alam, wala kang idea regarding cord cutting, message lang po. Para doon namin ma-explain. Okay. So, let's start with air signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Okay. So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron? Anong mensahe para sa mga air signs natin? Okay. Sa mga ating mga followers na air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. The Four of Swords in reversed. May energy dito na parang hindi ka na masyadong magtatambay sa bahay mo. Okay? Maglalamierda ka. Mga ganyan. Iba sa inyo may mga kakausapin na matagal na hindi niya kinausap. Okay? So, na the King of Swords in reversed. Iba sa inyo, nakakuha ko dito ng transaction, ha? Specific transaction online. Be careful. Okay? Hindi lahat is genuine. Okay, be vigilant. Just be aware sa mga nakakausap. Okay, the King of Swords. Somebody will reach you out. Or maybe, ikaw itong magre-reject. Okay, ng isang liar. Meron din ditong parang, meron kayong gustong kausapin na pwedeng hindi ko alam. Pwedeng natakot kayo na i-reach out. Sino to? Two of Wands. Someone na malayo. Yeah, see? Online, ha? Through online. Kita nyo? Iba naman talaga. Pwedeng, hindi ko alam, may, kung sino man itong gusto nyo kausapin na parang medyo tagilid tayo. Hindi ko alam kung natatakot ka or what. Hindi mo lang talaga kayang pagkatiwalaan. Well, kung hindi mo pagkakaya, then wag muna. Kung ayaw mo, wag gawin. Kasi there's doubts. If you have doubts, no, then pangit Oo, pangit gumawa ng decision, pangit gumawa ng tawag dyan, pakipag-usap, transaction, or what. Okay. Double check. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung meron sa double check. What else for you, air signs? The Magician in reversed, a Virgo energy. Anong meron dyan sa Magician in reversed? Ten of Cups. Ay, may nagbabato ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Ha? The Magician in reverse. Some of them may alam. May alam sa... Okay? Sa alam mo na. Black magic, kung ano man, rituals or whatsoever. Some of them, pwedeng kapamilya mo or relatives mo. Ten of Cups in reverse. Hindi masaya tong taong to. Gusto nila ng hindi maganda para sa'yo. Ano tong Ten of Cups in reverse? Strength in reversed. Be careful sa mga, hindi ko masabi na be careful kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo, hindi mo alam eh. Iba sa inyo ha, please. May mga gumagawa ng hindi maganda. Merong mga gumagawa sa inyo. Yeah, you need protection. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Dala ito ng galit or dala ito ng selos, dala ito ng inggit. Yan, Five of Swords. So, hindi kayo tinitigilan ito. Kumusta yung health ninyo? Yung health, yung parang target kung sino man to. Okay, so yeah, yung iba dyan na sa tingin ninyo hindi ordinaryo yung nararamdaman. Yeah, open si Kuya Dingsi. Okay, open naman po siya for that. Mga spiritual sanib, mga ganon. Okay po. So, what else for you air signs? The Lovers. You need to protect your energy po, ha? Kasi maraming maraming gustong kumonek sa'yo. So, may mga nagbibitaw ng salita, whether maganda man or pangit, may nakapagbitaw ng salita pagdating sa'yo. What's with these lovers? The Nine of Wands in reverse. There's this Gemini wanting na magkaganto kayo. Okay? Gusto niya na ganto with you. I'm seeing here pregnancy. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Ito yung parang energy na biglaan. Walang plano. Okay? See, the Seven of Cups. May chance pa na itong taong to is sabihin nating committed. Or merong iba. Okay? Nakakuha ko ng player type dito. Player type energy. Gumagustuhan lang. The Fool in reverse. So, mga action na hindi masyadong napapag-isipan. Okay? So, kung may mangyayaring ganyan, may chance ng pregnancy. Makabuntis ka or mabuntis ka. Okay? Lalo na kung alam mo sa sarili mo, pwede pa. Just be careful who you commit. Okay? Kasi nakakuha ko na mayroong paparating na connection dito. And ang nakakuha ko, this is just like friends with benefits. Friends with benefits. Parang una muna yung SEX bago kayo magkarelasyon or magka-connect, like talagang connection. Pero nakukuha ko dito, wala eh. Pwedeng mag-connect kayo ng taong to na sabihin natin parang option ka lang dito. Yari. No, pag nabuntis ka pa or nakabuntis, mahirap na. Okay, so yun ang aking nakikita for you. Ano bang mga, ano to? So, water, fire, this is new deck. Kaya hindi ko pa siya lahat nakikita. So, we have here Gemini, Leo, water, Virgo, fire, aqua, and air. Okay, next. So, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe bago tayo mag-start ng iyong reading. Okay, so let's see. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pasensya na po ha. Kagaling ko lang talaga sa ospital. Okay, kaya ganito. Medyo weak pa. Oo. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Placements. Fire sign placements. Anong mensahe? Okay, the Page of Pentacles. Plans about business maybe. May mga gustong simulan. What's with this Page of Pentacles? The Five of Cups in reverse. Oh. Wanting to connect. There's this earth sign na gustong kumonect sa'yo. Bakit? They want to move on. Who is this Page of Pentacles? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. Kung sino man to, kagaling lang yan sa breakup. Kung ex mo to, be careful. Hindi yan nakikipagbalikan dahil gusto niya makipagbalikan. Gusto niya makamove on. Haha. Hindi lahat na nakipagbalikan gustong bumalik talaga. Tandaan niyo yan. Okay. Ano tong Page of Pentacles? Sino to? The Knight of Cups. Yeah. Hindi ito magiging consistent sa'yo. Emotionally lalo. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng ipagsasabay pa kayo na kung sino. Pwedeng may someone na to. Kung ex mo to, or kung sino man, pwedeng may ex na to, and then pagsasabayin pa kayo. Nagmo-move on yung person. Nagmo-move on siya sa pamamagitan nyo. Oo, you're helping them to move on. Okay? Lalo na kung ex mo. Yeah. See the Page of Swords. Ang dami pa niyang pwedeng kakonect or pwedeng makakonect pa aside sa'yo. Okay. This is someone younger. Maybe. Younger or young. Or talagang immature lang. Anyway. So, what else for you, fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. The Fool. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga sisimulang bago or may mga susubukang bago. What's with this? May aaraling bago. May pupuntahang bago. Kung ano man. Queen of Swords Universe. Oh, this is so scary. Oh, it's like getting out of your comfort zone energy. Okay. The Hierophant. Some of you, this is talking about tawag dyan, trabaho, no? Papunta sa ibang lugar. Maybe, kailangan mong papunta sa ibang bansa, ganyan. So, there's this energy of opportunity. Okay? Justice in reversed. Kahit ayaw mo. Pero yeah, kailangan mo subukan. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles is talking about work. Yeah, this is work related. So, may chance na pwedeng ikaw rin itong parang kung ikaw is working for a place, meron kang boss, may chance ng pag-resign dito. Yeah, opo. May chance ng pag-resign kung ano man. Aalis ka dyan sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo and lilipat sa iba. Magre-resign, mag-apply sa iba. Kasi it's not, giving you the benefits, no? Parang mga, kung ano man ang kailangan mo, hindi na nagiging okay. It's not giving you justice. Parang ganyan. Yeah. What else? So, yun nga, iba sa inyo, pwedeng magre-resign and then magsisimula ng business. Okay. So, what else? Okay. Ang dami. Too many. Oh, I can't. Oh. So, what else for fire signs? The Six of Cups in reversed. You have a bitter ex? Do you have a bitter ex? Who's this Six of Cups universe? What's this? The Wheel of Fortune. Oh, they're bitter. Gusto rin ng taong to na mabitter ka. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yeah. Ano meron dito sa Six of Cups na to? The Nine of Wands. Okay, so sinira nito ang tiwala mo. Pwedeng inalisan mo, nilayuan mo para sa mas okay, no? Na pag-iisip na, o peace of mind, parang ganyan. So, itong taong to, they're not doing okay. They're not good. They're not doing fine. Well, karma is kicking their ass right now. And, yun nga, gusto nila na maging ganun ka rin. Hindi ka maging okay. So, I don't know. Maybe, they're keeping tabs on you. Ni-stalk ka nila. Okay? They're waiting na makita nila na maging kawawa ka rin like them. Don't let the situation, okay, bring you down. O, diba? May mga ganun. Okay? The Queen of Cups. Andyan yung parang iniisip niya napaka makasarili mo kasi ganyan, ganito. Well, siguro, kinaya mo na lumayo sa taong to. So, kaya sila na bitter, tas iniisip nila na napaka-selfish mo. Kasi ginawa mo yun, iniwan mo sila. Well, siguro nga, no, wala ka namang gagawing ganyan kung hindi rin naman na nagiging okay, no? Yung connection nyo or yung situation. Okay, so there. Still feeling the unfinished business. Oo, si person. The Nine of Cups, they see you as the Nine of Cups. They see you moving on. They see you being happy without them. They see you healing. Yun ang nakikita nila sa'yo. Kaya sila ganyan. Okay? So, there. So, we have here fire, Libra, water, Libra, Aries, water, and earth. Okay. So, next, water signs. Okay, so water signs, hi! Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, this is our new deck. Oo, bago naman ang ating gagamitin. Nakakahiya naman, ulit-ulit na tayo. No? Pero, yes. Oo. Hindi mo pa rin mapipigil talaga gumamit ng old deck. Anyway, so what's for you, water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's for you? Okay. Pasensya na. Oo, kung ganito ako. Dahil I'm still recovering and kalalabas ko lang din sa hospital. Ako ay na-emergency. O, diba? Napunta ako sa emergency last Saturday. So, yeah, enough with the talking. So, 8 of Wands in reversed. What's that? So there's this blockage. What's with this? What's with this 8 of Wands in reversed? There's this fire sign, the moon in reverse. Ito general. Bakit hindi nyo tinitingnan yung kung ano talaga yung meron sa sitwasyon? Bakit parang nandiyan yung ayaw nyong tanggapin kung anong meron? That's a message from someone. Okay? That's a message from someone. The star is here. Mayroong ipinapaintindi sa'yo pero parang ayaw mong tingnan. Ayaw mong intindihin. I don't know. Somebody is sad. Can't move on. Pwedeng water sign. Pisces, we have here fire. Water with fire. Who's this? Who is this? Pwedeng ikaw to. Death. So, may nangyaring ending. Yeah, may nangyaring ending. I think this is your energy for some of you. Yeah, strength is here in reversed. Meron ditong parang katotohanan na hindi na ibigay. Kung ano man to, regarding death. Kung ano man yon. That's specific. Okay. Meron silang nakita. I don't know. This is like an energy of yung may nakakita, ganito, pero hindi nila sinabi or hindi nila ikinuwento. I don't know. What's that? Yeah, see? The 7 of Swords. Tinago lang. Nilihim. Kung anong meron. May namatay dito. Okay, we're talking about death here. May something na may story behind, pero hindi nila sinabi. Hindi nila inopen kung anong dahilan. Maybe ng pagiging expired ng person. Anyway. Yeah. What else? That's specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. Water signs. Somebody, meron dito hindi rin talaga matanggap yung nangyaring separation. I can't. Ganon. Pwedeng iba sa inyo. Hindi nyo pa rin matanggap yung nangyaring separation dito. You can't move on or talagang pinipili yung huwag mag-move on. The Sun. What's with this? The Sun. What's with the Sun? 9 of Pentacles. Some of you, mas pipiliin mo talaga maging single. Kasi mas okay. I'm seeing some of you by summertime, ikaw tong magiging okay na. Kung ano man ang meron, mas magiging okay ka na. Mas magiging happy ka. May mga friends na bago. Okay? Vacation. Yeah. Celebration, I think. Some of you, there's this energy of promotion. Pagdating sa kaperahan, may see? Tit! O, diba? That's affirmation for me. May magandang mangyayari pagdating sa kaperahan. There's this news na parang napakaganda. Okay? Celebration by summertime. I don't know kung anong meron. There's this energy of vacation then. Travels maybe. Going out with your friends, families. Relatives. At ang nakikita ko, pwedeng ikaw yung parang taya. Pero masaya ka. Magiging masaya ka. Iba sa inyo makakuha or makakita ng new connection by summertime. Pero I don't know kung papayag ka. Kasi mas pipiliin mong maging single, I think. The 9 of Pentacles. Focusing on your career, on your work, maybe. Kaysa makipagrelasyon. I don't know why. Kasi mas masaya ka. See? The 8 of Pentacles. Focusing on your job, career, business if ever. Iba sa inyo nakakuha ko ng energy na parang may magwa-viral. Okay? May magwa-viral if you're into this kind of job, no, career mo. Nakikita ka ng tao, napapanood ka. Mga ganung bagay. Ikaw tong makikita ng tao, makikilala. That's so specific, so hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So may pagbabago pagdating sa kaperahan. may pagtaas, maybe views. Okay, mga ganyang bagay. So what else for you, water signs? Queen of Swords. What's with that? Nakakuha ko ng energy ng visa. Makakakuha na ng visa. The Nine of Wands reversed. So I'm hearing this energy na parang I'm getting this energy about truth, justice. Okay? Yung parang mapupunta na sa alignment din. Yeah, kung ano man. What's with this Nine of Wands universe? May magsasabi ng katotohanan, clarity, the Three of Swords. Kung ano man yung parang gumugulo sa'yo ngayon. Some of you, ikaw itong mas magiging matatag. Okay? Lalo na kung ikaw itong marami pinagdaraanan sa ngayon. Yeah, Five of Cups, universe. Mas magiging matatag ka, mas magiging okay ka eventually. The Nine of Wands, the Three of Swords. Mas magiging okay. Being the Queen of Swords is here. Yeah, the Star. Being healed, maybe. Or in general, mas magiging okay ka. Mas magiging okay ka na. So there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. So, we have here fire, air, earth, Scorpio, Libra, earth, Pisces, Leo, and earth again. So there. Next, earth signs. Earth signs. Hi. Okay, so again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, earth signs. Ang sakit talaga ng ganito ko. Oo. Oh my God. Gali kasi akong talaga. Hospital. O diba, ulit ako. Para, yeah, alam nyo din. Kaya ako nawawala nung mga nakaraang araw, no? So, yeah, nagpa-emergency na ako nun. Saturday. So, ano bang meron? Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong meron for you? Para sa mga earth signs. Oh, ang dami. Anyway, yeah, isa lang muna. Ang daming gustong sabihin. Ang daming mensahe. Okay, yeah, this again, our new deck. So, para mabago-bago naman, no? Hiyang-hiya naman ako. So, what's this? Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Taking a break from work, maybe. What's with this Eight of Pentacles in reversed? The Seven of Cups in reverse. Yeah, taking a break. Focusing on yourself more. Iba sa inyo may pagpiling gagawin. O siguro, yung pagbibigay ng kaunting break sa sarili, gagawan ng oras ang sarili. Okay? So, tingnan natin itong Eight of Pentacles in reverse. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, investing. Pagdating sa sarili kasi nawawalan ka na ng time for yourself. Suspect. Oh. Sino? Okay. Yeah, taking a break. This is taking a break. In general, kung ano man yung mga pinagkakabalahan mo. I don't know how. Pero sinasabihan na, well, pahi-pahinga kahit konti. Hindi naman masama. So, what else? Earth signs. Ten of Wands. Workload, responsibilities, weights on your shoulders. What's with this Ten of Wands? Burden, Ten of Cups. May magandang mangyayari for you. Don't you worry, baby. Okay, yeah. Lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Iba sa inyo, you're a breadwinner. Yeah, you're a breadwinner. Maybe bigay mo naman lahat, okay? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. If you're thinking of bills, payments, kung ano-ano man, it's going to be okay. It's going to be alright. Sinasabi dyan, lahat ng tawag dyan, pinaghihirapan mo sa ngayon. Okay? Maaani mo ng maganda. Hindi ka masyadong mahihirapan. Okay? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Talking about pera. Lahat mababayaran. Lahat magagawa ng paraan, or sabihin natin, yung parang okay, hindi ka nagtatrabaho sa wala. Parang ganon. Some of you, you're planning na magkaroon ng vacation with your family. Lift up the burden. Parang ganyan. What else? Somebody wants you. Somebody needs you. It's weighing them down. They want to see you. They want to be with you. Yeah, the Tower in reverse. Don't know kung meron kang nilayuan or ina-avoid. Yeah, see, the Ace of Swords. They want to connect. They want to reconnect. I'm seeing travels for you, Earth signs. Okay. So, what else? What else? Pagoda na rin me. Okay. What else? Anong favorite? Anong favorite? The Ace of Pentacles. Diba? See? New deck. New deck. Same energy. Kahit anong gawin natin. Kung wala yung Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles na. Okay, so there's this big money. Anong meron sa Ace of Pentacles para sa mga Earth signs? Let's see. There's this energy na someone na pwedeng gusto rin magkaroon kayo ng new beginning with. Kung ano man, kung sino man, I don't know. See the world. Oh, there's travel. There's this travel. And yeah, ang nakuha ko is changes pagdating sa kaperahan. And this is like, wow. This is big. Okay, this is huge amount of money coming in. Hindi ko alam kung paano, hindi ko alam kung saan manggagaling or what. That's in general. Regarding your money, there's this increase. Okay? Tingnan natin tong world. Iba sa inyo talagang may travel. And I think this is via plane. Hindi lang dyan sa kanto or hindi lang dyan sa kung saan mang lugar. Nakakita ko rito ibang bansa. Okay? Hindi sa Philippines or kung saan ka man nandyan. Yeah, this is travel across country. No, parang ganyan. So, ano tong world? So, meron nga ditong gusto makipagbalikan. Sabihin natin may nangyaring ending with you. The Three of Pentacles. Wow. That is work-related. If this is talking about business, then that's business. Ang ganda. May iba sa inyo, this is like working from home. Mas magiging maganda yung pasok. May increase. Okay. There's this maybe offer ng new position. Collaboration, some of you. Partnership. Okay. meeting new people, energy. This is like a new beginning. Okay? New perspective, new plans na talagang mangyayari. Yeah. Okay? So, iba sa inyo, titingin ng bagong sasakyan, bagong bahay maybe. Ganda. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.